Good morning students, and welcome to another video. Here we will be talking about two types of unemployment. See, as we have already discussed this fact, कि unemployment problem is one of the major problem which our country or every economy of the nation is facing. And this unemployment is also categorized into two ways. First is the rural unemployment and second is the urban unemployment. See, unemployment, what we have talked about, when a person is willing to work and is having the ability to work or the capacity to work, but they are not getting the jobs accordingly. So that type of situation is known as unemployment. See, the form of unemployment is different in the rural areas as well as into the urban areas. In the rural areas, some different types of unemployment is found, and in the rural areas, the different types of unemployment is found, which persist in each type of economy, whether it is a capitalistic economy or a socialistic economy or it is a mixed economy. See, as first of all we will be discussing about the rural unemployment. ये rural unemployment क्या होता है? रूरल एरियाज़ के अंदर जितनी भी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं और वो अलग तरीके की रूरल के बेसिस के ऊपर होती है, दैट इज़ नोन एज रूरल अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. यानी कि ये जो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट होता है ज़्यादातर रूरल एरियाज़ के अंदर देखने को मिलता है. ऐसी सिचुएशन, ये मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ कि इट इज़ नॉट सीन इन द अर्बन एरियाज़. समवेयर देयर इज़ इन द अर्बन एरियाज़ ऑल्सो, but majorly this type of unemployment situation is being observed into the rural areas. Okay, the major two types of unemployment which persist in the rural areas is disguised unemployment and second is seasonal unemployment. And now we will be discussing about both of these into a very detailed format. Detailed में हम लोग इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. देखिए क्या होता है कि जो रूरल एरियाज़ होते हैं, एज वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड, हमने पहले से ही ये चीज़ पढ़ी है कि रूरल एरियाज़ के अंदर ज़्यादातर सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड लोग ज़्यादा होते हैं जो कि खेती बाड़ी या एग्रीकल्चर से रिलेटेड एंड अलाइड सर्विसेज से रिलेटेड जो काम करते हैं. ये चीज़ हमने पहले वाले डेटाज पढ़े थे पहले वाले वीडियोज़ के अंदर. अब डिस्गाइज्ड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट जिसे हम बोलते हैं वो एक इस तरीके की इस तरीके की सिचुएशन होती है. इसके अंदर फॉर एग्जांपल अ हेक्टेयर ऑफ लैंड इज देयर एंड द रिक्वायरमेंट टू वर्क ऑन दैट अ हेक्टेयर ऑफ लैंड इज ओनली फॉर टू पीपल. टू पर्सन आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट लैंड एंड देयर रिक्वायरमेंट इज sufficient. But then also on this hectare of land, instead of 2 workers, 4 workers are working. That means 2 workers are working extra. Their efforts, their work is not at all valuing because only 2 person can do work on that hectare of land. But due to some problems, what is happening? 4 people are working. The capacity, the resources are limited and overemployment is there. We can also say that overemployment, and the people, those who are overemployed, they are not giving any sort of contribution to the economy because only 2 workers can do the work on that hectares of land. And this type of unemployment, so we will be considered as an economist, we will be considering that these 2 people, those who are working extra on this land, they are unemployed. I hope it is being clear, because they are not contributing to the economy in this. Now what happened? Why such type of unemployment is found here? See, as we know that the size of the families are growing. Okay, it is becoming due to increase in the population, the size of the families are growing, and the land available to them is becoming smaller. So all the family members, what they wanted to work on land itself so that they can get their work on that family land only. They are not willing to go out as they are not so much skilled that they can contribute in their work into some other sector. And everybody into the family wanted to work on the family land only. And this is the major reason, due to the increase in the population, the size of the land holding is becoming smaller. And this type of unemployment is known as disguised unemployment, and mainly it is found in the rural areas. Now when we are talking about this seasonal unemployment, what is this seasonal unemployment? As we know that many of the people are the casual workers, landless peasants into the rural areas. They are working into the farms of some other big farmers or the landlords. So now what happened? Since 6 to 7 months into a year, they during the period which is between the sowing and the harvesting, these people are getting the jobs on those land and they are working. But remaining the month of the year, that is 3 to 4 months, they are sitting idle. And this idleness, this sitting idle at home without earning, these type of unemployment is known as seasonal unemployment, because when there is a season they will be getting the job, and if there is no seasons they will be sitting unemployed. So this type of two major type of unemployment is there into the rural areas, especially into the rural areas into the country, and this has become a very economic problem for the country, because these idle period they are not contributing to the country's GDP as well. And on the other hand, they are becoming a burden on the economy. So in order to solve the problem, we have to see these two type of unemployment, and some programs, policies the government has to make so that they can remove the rural unemployment due to which migration is there. In order to stop this, the industrialization in the rural area should be there. Some small cooperative societies, SHGs should be established, financial institutions should be established, skill training centers should be established, so that these people can get the work the rest of their year in these institutions, so that they should not sit idle in the rest of the time. Now the second is the urban. Urban means the unemployment which is there into the urban areas, the cities areas. As we know that in the cities or the urban areas, lots of concentration of factories, industries are there, and many people are migrating in these areas in search of jobs in these industries and factories. So what are they doing? They are moving towards the urban areas, and as they are moving into these urban areas, what is happening? The population growth is increasing, and the demand for the jobs is also increasing in these areas. Now due to migration they have settled into the urban areas, and already these industries have their job vacancies for the people. Many of the people remain unemployed due to the overpopulation or the concentration of the population in these areas. So this lead to the industrial unemployment, means some workers which are coming for the search, they are getting the job, but many others are remaining unemployed, they are not getting job in these industries. So we can also call it as industrial unemployment. The people, those who are industrial workers, they are working into the industries, and due to the overpopulation and some other drastic conditions, what happening? These people are getting unemployed. So this is industrial. Now educated. As in the urban areas, education institutes are there, skill and training development institutes are there. The people are more educated as compared to the urban areas here. But now what happened? As the population, see, this population is the major root cause, and we have already started in the previous class also. The root cause of every economic problem is scarcity. Here is also scarcity because scarcity of jobs are there. So jobs are limited and the demand for these jobs are unlimited. The population is increasing, the demand is increasing, and when we are not coping up with the demand, with the increasing demand, this leads to an economic problem, and this already we have studied into the previous classes. So when we are having the educated youths here into the urban areas, skilled youths who can work, who are having the job, skilled knowledge, but then also they are unemployed. Why? Because the population growth is there, scarcity of jobs are there into the urban areas, and these people are not, they are willing to work, they are having the ability to work, but these people are not getting the jobs here into the urban area, and this leads to the problem of unemployment, that is called educated unemployment. They are not getting jobs into the offices or the jobs which they are requiring, and this is also one of the basic problem of unemployment into the country. Into the next video we are going to discuss about the other types of unemployment which is there into the country. The other, what all types of other employments are there into the country, that we are going to discuss here. And what are the causes of this unemployment, that also we are going to discuss. Already we are discussing all these things, the causes of unemployment in these videos also, but a systematic discussion regarding the causes also will be done into the next video. Hope you must have understood all these things. Thank you.